Welcome to the South Ops Fire Weather Webcast for Thursday, September 18th. I'm your host, Kristen Stewart. The main weather story for today will be the continued unsettled weather as the remnants of Tropical Storm Mario continue to move northward across the region. The unusually tropical air mass has allowed for plenty of cloud cover to enshroud the region this morning, along with widespread shower and thunderstorm activity across much of Southern California. Expect this gloomy weather to continue through the day, shifting northward over the coming hours and into tomorrow. Model projections continue to indicate that on and off scattered showers and thunderstorms moving from south to north will affect the entire region today. Most of the activity will be focused across Southern California through the morning, then become more active over Central California this afternoon. Activity will mainly focus over Central California later tonight through Friday, but lingering showers may continue farther south, but will become more isolated. You can see from this model forecast that precipitation will not be uniform and some areas will receive more rainfall than others due to the activity being more convective and spotty in nature. The system will fizzle out later on Friday, and remaining shower activity will taper off Friday night, then dry weather will return on Saturday. Due to the convective and spotty nature of the precipitation, rainfall totals through Friday will not be uniform across the region, but rather more variable in nature. There also remains uncertainty with respect to how much rain will fall and where the big winners will be, as is typical with showery type weather. Despite this, forecast projections continue to indicate moderate rainfall amounts over the majority of the region. This graphic shows average totals broad-brushed over the region, so be aware that the final totals map will likely not be this smooth. On average, most foothill and mountain locations will likely receive at least a half inch to an inch of rainfall, with locally much higher amounts. Flatter coast, valley, and desert locations will likely total up to a half inch, though some areas could trend higher with any heavier showers. As for flash flooding potential, there will probably not be any widespread concerns, as most showers will be fairly light. Though some localized flash flooding is definitely possible under any heavier showers or thunderstorms, especially over higher terrain. Significant cooling is expected region-wide today, then a few more degrees of cooling is expected on Friday. Highs will fall into the 60s and 70s across the mountains and 80s in the valleys. Even with these cooler temperatures, the much higher humidity will make things feel rather uncomfortable and sticky, like what is common across the southeast U.S. in the summer. Once the remnants of Mario fizzle out and the precipitation starts to wane, there is good confidence that weak high pressure will redevelop over the western U.S. this weekend, lasting into at least early next week. Temperatures are expected to warm back up to more seasonable levels, and humidity will start to come down, though it will remain elevated. Confidence in the forecast diminishes by around Tuesday as a cutoff low offshore wants to move inland, but models are struggling with where and when this may occur. This feature may bring cooling temperatures and additional shower chances, but it is hard to tell at this time what may happen, though the weather does not seem too impactful at this time. Any lightning strikes over drier areas may bring a few new ignitions this morning, but with the large amount of moisture and expected rainfall, the short-term growth potential will be significantly limited on any new starts. Fuel moistures will significantly increase over the coming days, and this should be at least a fire season slowing event for the entire region, with fire potential declining to more negligible levels for the short term. We will have to see what the rainfall totals come out to be, and if we will have a long duration warm and dry period to see how things fare in the longer term. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for tuning in. Our next webcast will be on Friday, September 19th. Have a fantastic day.